You have finally bought 100k challenge account and you have been killing it on paper for months. But the moment you see that live dashboard, your hands are shaking. You hesitate on your entries, move your stop losses, and blow the account in 3 days. The problem isn't your strategy, it's math. Today I'll be giving you a $10 mental fix that'll completely fix your anxiety and help you pass the eval with ice in your veins. Why are you anxious? Because you see 100k dollars in your account and you freak out. You think if you're losing 1%, you're losing $1,000. But here's the reality. You don't have 100k in your account. You have a drawdown limit. If your max loss is $10,000, then it means you have a $10,000 account. But even that is a lie. The only real money you spend is $500. Here is the fix. Stop looking at the dollar sign on your live dashboard. Convert everything into unit of risk. If your challenge fee was $500 and you plan yourself to allow 50 trades on the eval, each trade is worth $10. When you click buy, you aren't risking $500 or $5,000 of the firm's money. You're spending one $10 bill for a chance to win. If you lose, you just lost a lunch. If you win, you're one step closer to the payout. It's a game, not a mortgage payment. Most of the traders treat the fees as they have to make it back. This is revenge trading before you even start trading. Consider the $5 as a fee, or consider the $5 as a fee gone as soon as you hit pay. It's the price of the ticket to the stadium. Once you accept that money is spent, the fear disappears. You are now free to focus on a single thing, the setup. To make this work in 2026, do these 3 things. Hide your PNL, use a plugin or a piece of tape to hide your PNL on your screen. Trade in percentages, only talk in unit of risks, how much you're making, how much you're losing. The one trade rule, tell yourself that you're only allowed to take one trade in a single day. It focuses you to wait for the best setups. If you're struggling with a challenge right now, comment down logged in. Stop trading the money, start trading the plan. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.